All right, now we're ready to go ahead and insulate the window. We're using a foam, non-hardening foam. It's very low expansion. It's made for windows. You want to make sure that you always use window foam that's made for windows and doors. You don't want to use the hardening foam or the high expansion foam, because when you get it in there, it'll lock up your window. You won't be able to open and close your window. Okay, now as you're applying the foam into the window surround, you want to make sure you don't overdo it so that it's oozing out everywhere as it expands, because this will expand slightly.